So I went down a long rabbit hole for the last couple of hours trying to curate and organize all the beautiful websites that I've collected over the years. Websites from makers and designers and agencies, and even just like random others, like random stuff on the internet. And I think that one of the things that I realized while putting this together was how much of an effort it actually takes, and how intimidating it can be sometimes. Like, my website's 3 years old. I haven't done anything about it, primarily because every time I open it, it is quite intimidating to change it, because most often than not, you're gently slammed with other things, and you don't have an opportunity, or you can't make time to actually come back and curate your own site. And I think it's very commendable for the fact that there are a lot of designers out there that make it a point to come back and curate their own websites and their personal brands. Huge shout out to Claudio, because I think that his is one of my absolute favorite sites on the internet, primarily from a personal brand perspective. I think he does a phenomenal job. I've had the opportunity of working with him, and he's a very, very talented designer. And knowing how busy he is, and despite how busy he is, I think his site is an absolute amazing. I've put all of this in a Notion sheet that I'll share below, so take a look at it. Feel free to share it, and if you have recommendations of other websites that I should definitely check out, share it with me.